Hotel. This property is a 6-minute walk from the beach. Brown Feather Hotel is located in Seminyak, just 6.3 kilometers from Kuta. Each room is equipped with a flat-screen TV. Certain rooms included a sitting area to relax in after a busy day. Enjoy a cup of tea while looking out at the pool or garden. Every room is fitted with a private bathroom. You will find a 24-hour front desk at the property. The hotel also provides bike rental and car rental. Ubud is 20.9 kilometers from Brown Feather Hotel, and Nusa Dua is 16.1 kilometers from the property. The nearest airport is Ngurah International Airport, 8 kilometers from Brown Feather Hotel.